Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free GitHub Foundation certification. We'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So GitHub Foundation certifications, 100% free exam voucher through the DataCamp. So looking for a way to get a GitHub Foundation certification exam completely free? In this video I will explain the official DataCamp offer, eligibility requirement, how the voucher works, and the important step you need to complete to become eligible. What this offer provides? So 100% discount on the GitHub Foundations certification exam, official GitHub Foundation certification voucher opportunity through the data camp, and designed for the eligible student using the GitHub Student Developer Pack. And no separate action is required after the completing the eligible data camp track, and this discount code is sent by email. So who is eligible? To qualify, you must have an active GitHub Student Developer Pack subscription, activated the 3 months free DataCamp access available through the GitHub Student Benefit, completed the complete GitHub Foundation track on DataCamp. So important is that a regular individual paid DataCamp B2C subscription does not qualify for this voucher, even you have a GitHub student account. So how do you receive the voucher? After completing all the course in the GitHub Foundation track, DataCamp send the 100% discount code by email. Code are distributed in batches. So DataCamp states that you should allow up to 15 working days to receive the code. So this voucher expiration date will be mentioned in the email. So you make sure redeem it before and start stated expiration date. So official link is this one. And in this video, based on the official DataCamp information, and this is intended to help students understand the current GitHub Foundation certification voucher opportunity. So like, subscribe and share. So we'll go through this URL. When we'll open this URL, this is the page. So GitHub Foundation certification voucher through DataCamp. And here you can see through DataCamp, eligible student can earn the 100% discount on the GitHub Foundation certification exam. Please note that this offer only available for the student who access DataCamp through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So what is the GitHub Foundation certification? So this is the certification, official certification from GitHub. So this the validates your fundamental knowledge at GitHub and version control, repository management, and other. So GitHub Foundation is skill track. So prepare you the certification. Let me open this one. So here you have to log in and you have to go through the step by step from that. So who is eligible? This is a 100% discount code as code is available for the student who access through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So we have to open the student GitHub Student Developer Pack subscription. So open this one. This is the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So here sign up for the developer pack and you have to go through the step-by-step process for that. So GitHub Foundation certification. So everything you need to start preparing and taking the GitHub Foundation certification and include other details are there. So here you can see multiple things are there. So about the this. Okay. So you have to complete this one. So here sign up for the student developer pack and then student benefit start application. So you have to log in, you have to give your details just like student and name of the your college, your email address should be there. Okay, your school email address, and you have to verify this one. Okay. So now, so how to redeem the voucher? So once you receive your discount code by email, you can follow the instruction of the schedule your GitHub Foundation exam. So you can follow this one steps. So steps are also given there. So you have to log in and you have to go through the all the steps. So this is the page and this is the URL, official URL, and here you have to get the 100% free GitHub Foundation certification voucher 2026. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. And don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.